What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay back again with another video. Today's video is me moving in. The process was very cool. There was some problems that I had with my ID and not being able to get in my building, in my room, but that was taken care of and it was cool. It's like right here I'll show you a video, or not a video, a picture of what my room looked like before. I did move some stuff around in the process, but I didn't really film it because I was stressed and it was just me and all my stuff was heavy and I didn't have any help. But it is what it is. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Thorn.
When the sun goes down, you can find me tearing up downtown with the high beams. No need for review when they can catch you. I never look back, never look like I want you. Also innocent, kissing your tattoo, sweet like cinnamon. No need for review when they can catch you.
187 if they showed you they ain't loyal. 187 if they talking down on you. 187 they ain't do a thing for you. 187 got 100 round for you, yeah. They tryna see me now, they wanna see me then. They tryna help me make, but tryna help me spend. A broke nigga got jealous and shot his mans up. A rich nigga got jealous and copped the Benz truck. Slide down your block, tryna make a beat like 808. Stayed on that block like we ain't had nowhere to stay. They only love you when you dead and locked away. You cashing and making plays, they capping, I know the game, look. Lace up my kicks, I'm tryna ball like Hall of Fame. Tryna take me out of my lane. Your shooters ain't had no aim, no. We let it off and your shooters bustin' a tango. You know I ain't really going unless the gang go. Catch me in traffic, I'm shooting shit like I'm Rambo. Can't put your trust in these hoes, they leave you dead, bro. I told them niggas stop frontin' and put they mans on. I put these drugs in my system to let the pain go. 187 if they showed you they ain't loyal. 187 if they talking down on you. 187 they ain't do a thing for you. 187 got 100 round for you, yeah. They tryna see me now, they wanna see me then. They tryna help me make, but tryna help me spend. A broke nigga got jealous and shot his mans up. A rich nigga got jealous and copped the Benz truck.
When the sun goes down, you can find me tearing up downtown with the high beams. No need for review when they can catch you. I never look back, never look
like I want you, also innocent, kissing your tattoo, sweet like cinnamon. No need for review when they can catch you.
You broke that bond, now when it come to you, my feelings weak. You let your selfish ways come in between our chemistry. Why you play with my heart and not show love consistently? I put my life on the line, you won't take that risk with me. Fucked up my trust, wish I could delete all our memories. Keep popping these pills, I hope it take away my misery. I got a dead soul, I've been facing plus my enemies. Emotions bottled up, I don't know what's wrong and it's killing me. I cut so many off, my heart cold, this December beat. My mind keep racing, I've been overthinking, I don't get no sleep. You don't understand how hard it was, I swear this shit so deep. I made it to the top and they all looked up in disbelief. They hate that I'm doing better, they know I tried to get rid of me. I flex with no regrets cause they ain't show me no sympathy. I came a long way, but I ain't as far as I'm finna be. I promise I'ma die legend, I'ma make sure that you remember me. I used to daydream, I pictured everything so vividly. I had a feeling we'll be rich since the elementary. My people's grown, got it when it's everything they ain't get to see. Only Maxine, I miss your love, wish you was here with me. You was a part of me and since you left I'm incomplete. My lifestyle used to be jump shots and sticking deep. Life overwhelmed me, I said fuck school and hit the streets. I devoted my life to that corner.
So that was a video. Like I said, it was something slight, something simple, nothing too crazy. It wasn't really too bad, the whole process of me moving my stuff into the right places and whatnot. But yeah, it's cool. I do have a single. It's not the most biggest, or it's not the biggest space, but it's doable for one single person. I just killed this big old spider not so long ago. Hey, I gotta watch out for that. But yeah, that was the process. Hopefully it wasn't too bad for y'all. My class is smooth. I am filming this on Thursday and I moved in earlier Saturday last week. But yeah, first week classes was cool. My schedule isn't too stressful. I just got done doing some homework. I still gotta study, but that's not too bad. So just trying to knock this out. Hopefully y'all doing great. Hopefully my fellow students, y'all surviving. It's only the first week for me, but it is what it is. Yeah, y'all be safe. Y'all do what y'all gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Storm.